say እንጀምር Osman baby boss. All right, let's start this shit. All right, bet let's go.
Gentlemen, come in.
Okay. Hopefully ድምጼ እንትን አይልም yes hopefully ድምጼ እንትን አይልም ማለት
Johnny. We're in the building.
Guzo is here. You know what's
Sure
up,
TV,
man.
man.
Okay, Guzo
You gotta go
is
crazy.
in
Turn me up.
Hey,
turn
drop
me
a
up,
like.
gang.
Drop that like button, man. Hit
Turn
that
me
like
up,
button.
bro.
Number 1.
ሆሚ ሞገስ እባላለሁ።
What's your name?
Okay.
ሆሚ
Tony?
ሆሚ
Pony.
ኖ
ሆሚ
ሆኒ አይደለም።
What's the እንትኑ ግን ፖይንቱ ግን ምንድነው? እነሱ ዴት እየፈለጉ ነው አይደለ? ከዛ ቸከስ ይመርጣሉ ነው። that's the whole point.
ኦኤምአይ ሆሚ
ፖይንት
Homie, is she?
Number 2?
ኤሚ እባላለሁ።
You said Tammy?
ኤሚ ያ
Amy.
ኤሚ ይባላል። Okay.
Amy, Pomi, Titi.
Number 3?
ራሂል ደሊና ሄርሜላ ፍርቱና ሊና
Lena. Nice to meet you guys. Yeah, my name is Johnny Gunder. You feel me? I'm a part of Guzo.
Johnny Gonda.
Christian ቦክሰኛው what's going on fam? እንዴት ነሽልኝ? Welcome brother.
Johnny what?
Johnny Gonda.
And yeah, I'm a professional soccer player. That's what I do for a living.
What's the choice?
Professional soccer player?
Wow, you soccer player.
መጠገር ይቻላል?
Soccer. Football. As you guys would say, yeah.
I'm a warrior.
ጆሮአቸው ጢም አለ ታውቃል። ሶከር ሲላቸው መስሚያ ጥጥ
Eh, በጣም
ውሸት አይደለም።
በጣም ሳክሳ.
Oh, it's SB Waba. That's my name. SB Waba. That's my name.
SB Waba?
Why are you telling like the username?
ይሳቅ ያሳፍራል.
Why y'all geeking? What?
ሀፕን ታይናለም ነው
Is that a funny name, bro?
What do you, where, shit. Where would you want a man to take you on the first date? Like, where would you prefer to go on a first date?
first
I would like him to take me like book shopping because I love books or like simple
shopping?
coffee dates. We will have
oh brother ቡክ ሾፒንግ ገብተዋል ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ቡክ ሾፒንግ ገብተዋል እንደሄደ ምናምን ከሸልፍ ላይ ምናምን አይደለም ገብተዋል ቡክ ሾፒንግ ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ መጽሐፍ ገብተዋል እንዴት እንደሚገዛ ኦኬ እንቀጥልሽ ቡክ ሾፒንግ አለች ይመች አንቺ አንብበሽ አታውቂም እኔ አላውቅም
have
እንዲሆና
a lot of time to talk to get to know each other.
She.
Okay.
Number 2?
A nice dinner would be nice and like classy type shit.
Okay. Number 3?
I like planning things, so maybe.
I'm a very unplanned person.
I'm gonna be honest. I'm a very unplanned person, but
Unplanned?
yeah, like I'm not organized. I'm sloppy, you know.
I like random things, but for first date, I would like to planning, so.
No,
oh my fucking god guys በጣም አንዱን ኮንኩኝ ማን ካሁኑ ይቅርታ ጠይቃለሽ በጣም ፈን ኤፒሶድ ሊሆን ነው ኦኬ let's
So
go
like for first date, I like something simple like coffee date or something.
say ew, coffee?
Ew, you actually like coffee? Coffee's disgusting.
ግራመሩን ተይው
Yeah.
Okay.
ግራመሩ በኋላ ላይ እናወራለን ባምፑን ተይው ኮሮኮንቹን ተይው where can I watch ሹፍ ቲቪ ላይ
Grew up as a kid. I never had it again.
ባይዘው የሚገርም ፕሮሞ እየሰጠናቸው ነው እነዚህ ሹፍ ቲቪ ተገቢ ነው ተገቢ ነው it's okay ሹፍ ቲቪ ላይ
Oh, okay.
So, but would you be down to have a Red Bulls together? Because I'm like a Red Bull guy, you know.
I don't drink, but like.
No, Red Bull. It's not alcohol. It's like energy drinks.
Like energy drink?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Is she number 5?
I just like the quiet places.
So like,
ታርጉሙ እንጂ አንቺ ብቻ ብለሽ ነው ጀለስ ሬድ ቡል ሲላት እንዲህ እንትን የሚወርድ መስሏታል ገብቶሻል እንዲህ ኖርማል ነው እንዲህ ነሲ ምናምን ይሆናል በላኩም ሬድ ቡል ሲላት ጆሮ
like, is a bed? Is that a good first date or no?
I think it's good.
Oh, I like number 5. Okay.
Yeah.
I like number 5 for sure.
ወብለናል ብሩክ አይመች ቴንክስ ፎር ፎሎ ብሮስኪ ጋይስ ታፕ ያርጋችሁ ቴንክ ንግባ ቻርልስ ይመች ወብያለሁ ማይ ጋይ ቴንክስ ፎር ፎሎ አፍካስ ወብለናል የሳይ ቴንክስ ፎር ፎሎ ጋይስ ፎሎ ያርጋችሁ ያላችሁ ሰዎች እንዳለ አይ አፕሪሺየት GTO clever with the follow ይላል ቴንክስ ፎር ፎሎ ፎሎ ሌላ ታሪክ እየሄደ ነው ይመቻችሁ ቴንክ ዩ ሶ ማች ጋይስ ቴንክ ዩ ሶ ማች እንቀጥል
For first date, I like something fun and casual.
What will
We
it
can talk and laugh.
Number 7?
Maybe a club.
A club?
Damn.
A club?
You said a club? A club?
Yeah.
What kind of club?
I never been in club with a guy, so I want to experience that.
You for the streets? I'm just asking.
You never been
Wait,
to the
wait.
club?
You for the streets?
No,
Hold up.
Nah, she for the streets for real.
Nah, never someone for the streets.
Nah, she for the streets.
Wait, what did she say? She said I'm not into clubs, right?
yeah.
I like number 5, for sure. Number 6?
For first date, I like something fun and casual where we can talk and laugh.
Okay.
Okay. Number 7?
Maybe a club.
ክለብ የለመደ እኮ ነው እናትህ። ኧረ በስመ አብ።
A club?
Damn.
A club?
You said a club? A
Club?
club?
Yeah.
What kind of club?
I never been in club with a guy, so I want to experience that.
You for the streets? I'm just asking.
You never been
Wait,
to the
wait.
club?
You for the streets?
No,
Hold up.
ቻርልስ ይመች።
Nah,
ቴንክ
she
ዩ
for
ሶ
the
ማች።
streets,
ቴንክ ዩ
bro.
ፎር ዘ ሮዝ ብያለሁ። ባይ ዘ ዌይ
Nah,
ብራቮ።
she for the streets.
ቴንክ ዩ ፎር ዘ ሮዝ።
You say that? You can say that? Whoa.
I ain't gonna lie.
Nah, that's crazy.
what did you say? Pardon.
I'm saying, are you for the streets?
No, I'm not. I just want to experience that.
Are you for the good?
ማን ሊትራሊ ክለብ ከወንድ ጋር ኤክስፒሪየንስ አድርጌ አላውቅምና ማድረግ እፈልጋለሁ አለች። ይኸው
For the what?
ሬድ ፍላግ ነው ግሪን ፍላግ
never
ነው?
went
ምን
to
እሺ
the club before?
ክለብ የምትወድ ቸክ
I did, but not with the boys, not with a man.
Hey, what's your type?
Yeah, number 1, what's your type
She's
in a
like-
man?
I actually don't have a type.
You don't have a type, so you don't care if a guy's 4'11".
I don't care. Like if he's bad, he's bad.
If it's bad.
If
Okay,
his
facts.
personality is cool, it's cool. Like
She.
Depends on the type of
I
club. What type of club could it be? I mean, ቡክ ክለብ አይደለም መቼስ ክለብ እያለች ያለችው ከወንድ ጋር ወጥቼ አላውቅም እያለች ነው
like
እንግዲህ።
tall guys, taller than me, and I love tattoos.
Oh, tattoos? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. My nigga, it
Okay.
is no.
And
You got one?
yeah, I got some chest, some arm tats,
All right.
Yeah.
Number 3.
Yeah, number 3.
So maybe light skin.
Oh, you like light skin guys?
Yeah, and mature enough.
Do you like a guy with long or short hair?
Sure.
You like
Number
short hair?
3 is not
Yeah.
my type.
She.
ክለብ
Number
ሳንዱች
4. What about you?
Older than me. You have to be
How old are you?
18.
You 18? Oh, below,
Yeah.
below.
GG.
ራንደም ዋስ
GG in the
ጆክ
chat.
በእናትህ።
Say I like him young.
No, it's legal.
You said
18
below,
is legal,
below.
But it's okay. I like him young. I love him young.
What? Yo.
Yo, my guy.
And light skin.
What about dark skin guys? How do you feel about dark skinned men?
It doesn't matter.
Well, what about like Gambella dark skin, like super dark?
Super dark? No.
Do you know Harun, brother? Do you know Harun?
Wait. Do you know a guy named Heron?
Harun?
You know a guy named Heron?
Yeah.
He's really dark, but I heard you have a crush on him. Is that true?
Man,
He's kind of cool,
Huh?
What? Oh, nah.
What?
Nah. You say what? Wait, how is he cool? How is he cool?
Wait.
No, he's cool. Like I
How?
like his vibe, I like his vibe.
Oh my god.
So were you here for Harun or you here for Guzo? Which one?
For nothing.
For not?
What the fuck?
See?
ግን ኢትዮ ነው ፕሮግራሙ። የሳይ
Yo, nah.
Nah.
ቆይ ፒዛ ሃት ነው እንትን ያደረገው ነው ስፖንሰር ያደረገው ነው?
She number 5. What about you?
እሺ ቤቢ።
Honestly, I don't care about the look.
All right, number 7. What about you?
ኦኬ ፐርሰናሊቲ
Because I'm 5'8".
You're 5'8"?
Yeah.
5'8"?
God damn. That's
I
tall
know.
as fuck.
I know. Number 1.
እኔ እኮ እንዲህ የምንሰካከሰው ነገር በጣም የሚያስቀኝ ባይዘዊ እንዲያውን የሚሰካከሱት በእናት ስለ ማለት ነው። እስካሁን የጠቀሱት ታይፕ ምናምን በቃ ብር ባይኖረው ቢሏቸው ላይክ ሐሳባቸውን ይቀይራሉ ወዲያው። በቃ ብር ካለ ማለት ነው እንዲህ ያጎብጉባ ትቀበላለች። ታሽ ለምን የምንሰካከሰው?
Johnny.
Would you date a girl with tattoo?
Yeah, but it depends where. Wait, you got tattoos?
Yeah, I have 8 tattoos.
You got 8?
Yeah.
You got any neck tats?
No.
Any face tats?
No, that's ghetto. No.
Okay.
ስንት ብር ያለው ሰው ነው ዴት ማድረግ የሚችለው አንቺን በላ?
ያው ጠይቃት ስንት ብር? ኦኬ let's see how much do you think she's going to say? Okay, ስንት ብር ያለው ሰው she's probably going to say Okay, let me guess. 100,000.
How much money do I need?
100,000.
Ellie, we got a question. How much money do we need?
For what?
How much
Like,
money
how
does
much
your man
money-
need to
yeah.
have to
1 million. She's gonna be
his
like
name
it.
for you to date him?
Oh,
It's
how much
okay. Like
money?
I got my own.
How much money?
Wait, did she say I got my own money?
Ellie, we got a
Cap.
question. How much money do we need?
For what?
How much
Like,
money
how
does
much
your man
money-
need to
yeah.
have to his name for you to date him?
It's okay. Like I got my own money. Like
Oh, you got your own money?
Okay.
Hey, what you do for a living?
I'm merchant.
You said you're what?
Merchant.
አተብና የዩኬ ግራመር እየተማርን እኮ ተቸገርን በእናትህ። ኧረ በስመ አብ። ኧረ መርቻንት ከሰማሁት ቆየሁ በጣም ብዙ ጊዜ ሆነኝ። ማርያምን መርቻንት ከሰማሁ በጣም ብዙ ጊዜ ቆየሁ። ይህ እንትን ላይ መርቻንት በጣም ከባድ ነው። በጣም ከባድ ነው። በጣም ላይ ይህ መርቻንት የሚለው ማለት ነው እንግሊሽ ፕሮብለምስ ምናምን ዳሽ ሙላ ላይ ፈተና ላይ ምናምን መጡ ትዝ የሚለኝ በጣም ቆዩ መርቻንት ከሰማሁ። ነጋዴ ነው አይደል እኮ።
Say it one more time.
Merchant.
Oh,
Merchant.
okay. I like that. I like me a boss woman, you know?
Okay, clock it.
Number 2, what about you? How much?
I think I can support myself.
Goals.
So if I take you out to dinner and I make you pay for the bill, you're fine with that?
No, I'm not. A man
Okay.
should be able to provide for his girl, you know?
Okay, what if he like forgot his wallet? Like he don't got his money. at the
That's
moment?
okay if he forgot his wallet.
Oh, yeah.
It's not about like, it's not about pain. It's about the respect, you know?
Good girl, good girl.
Good girl. You know?
Number 3.
Thanks.
Okay.
He have to invest here because I'm expensive.
What do you need? Like
Like-
what? Like, what do you need?
I can't wait to see number 3, yo. I can't wait to see number 3.
Like I wanna see him spend on me
All
or
right,
spoil
do you know how to
me.
cook?
For myself, I
So
do.
you can't cook for your man, but you expect the man.
Yes, I expect.
So what the fuck can you do? What can you do? Let's be real. What can you do?
If you are the man who dated, I'm not go with you. እሱም ቢሆን ዴት የማደርገው አልሄድም ከሱ ጋር።
Okay.
She said whoever I'm dating.
Cargo,
I think she's saying she won't go with you if you don't do it.
Does size matter? Does size matter?
Does size matter?
Actually,
Okay.
fuck all that shit. Does size matter?
No,
It don't matter?
it doesn't matter.
So if it's shit like 2 inches, it's okay.
I don't know. It doesn't matter for me.
Which one are you feeling?
All right, number 5.
Not yet. Hold on.
No,
Hold
no.
on.
It don't matter?
ገና
Yeah.
እንመርጣለን።
For me,
ስልሽ አንዱ አሁን ቡክ ሾፒንግ አለች። ምን እንግሊሽ ፎር ኢትዮጵያ ነው ምናምን መጽሐፍ ለገዢ ነው ምንድን ነው ላይክ ቡክ ሾፒንግ who does book shopping ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ?
yeah,
So if it's 2 inches, it's okay.
no problem.
2 inches, no problem.
2 inches, no problem?
Okay.
Yeah,
አይ ተስፋ አለን 2 inches no problem ብላለች።
I like it. Yeah,
Why
it
ain't
just
that
that
lying? She's lying.
20 exists that
That's cap.
All right, what about you, number 6?
I don't want to answer.
You don't want to answer?
Yeah.
Oh, so it matters?
So it matters to you. So it matters to you pretty much.
No.
6, so size does matter to you.
It matters, ግን I don't want to answer.
Yes. In the 2
She just answered it, bro. You just said it matters but I don't want to answer. Okay, let's go.
Does she? All right, what about number 7? What about you?
If you want to date me, you don't have to talk this kind of question, because that's not going to impress me.
You're all about action? So you're all about action? So you're all about action? You don't want to talk about it?
Is this the one for the street saying this?
Yeah, didn't you say, wait,
Hold on.
didn't you say you want to go to the club on your first date?
Which one are you feeling? Not yet. Hold on. I gotta hear a little bit more.
Weren't you not saying
That doesn't make me a straight girl, bro. I just want to...
አንቺ የትኛዋ ተመቸች ኤኪ? Because her mom is watching the video. Yo, አንቺ የትኛው እንዴ ባይዘዌ ክለብ መውጣት ይመቸኛል ያለችው እኮ ነች እቺ I don't want to answer የምትለው አሁን በዚህ ሰዓት። ኖኤሎ እንዴት ነሽ? ዌልካም ብራዘር። ኤኪ የትኛዋ ተመቸች?
Friends that
ከአንድ እስከ
I
7
never did. I told you before. Don't judge me.
Okay, how about number 2?
I wouldn't know.
If I'm not dating, how can I know?
Okay. What's your age? What's your age?
How old are y'all?
Okay, እድሜ እንስማና እንመርጣለን። ፖዝ። ኧረ በኢየሱስ ስም አይባልም። not that way. በሌላ መንገድ እንዳትወስዱት። አቡዲ እንዴት ነሽልኝ? ዌልካም ብራዘር። ኦኬ እንስማሽ። ጽዮን ዌልካም ብያለሁ።
19. Same.
24.
18. I'm 22.
ቹቾች ናቸው።
19.
Old enough to know what I want.
Oh my god. ናምበር 7 ትውጣ። ናምበር 7 ትውጣ። ናምበር 7 ትውጣ።
Damn.
Number 7 ትውጣ። Nah, number 7 is being number 7 is being like too much and over the line. Yeah.
7, how old are you?
I'm not gonna tell you.
Okay,
Okay.
so now is elimination time. So
Already?
the first person eliminating is going to be
Number 7.
Isaac.
Just one?
Just
Number
one
7.
person.
Number 7.
You said the one that they like my G was 5? Wait, who said they like my G? Nah, who said they wanted
It was
Nazi?
5. It was 5.
Five? Is that who's 5?
She said she a Hudon fan. She
It was
a fan.
five- it was
Yeah,
5?
bro, get her out, bro.
100% 5. Come on.
5, you gotta get
We
out.
don't rock with my D.
Oh. Okay, number 5 ለናቲ ነው የመጣችው።
Cause
Okay.
you said you like Nazi.
No, I didn't say
You said you like Nazi
what?
head on.
No, no, no,
Seven.
I didn't.
Oh shit, hold on, we messed up. Fuck. Yo, we took an L low key though. Wait. You just said you like Nazi and
No,
Harlem.
I didn't say anything.
Why are you lying?
Say Mariamin.
Mariam.
For real, wasn't you?
No, no, no.
Oh, get her back in, get her back
Nah,
in.
yeah, Loki, get her back in. Loki,
Huh?
can we get her back in?
It wasn't her.
No, no.
Fuck. Johnny. Can I have your phone number?
Wait, come back, come back, come back. And then? Send this to that. Good girl, good girl.
Yeah, good girl, good girl, good girl.
Hey, after she puts her number in, start barking, Isaac.
What the hell? Oh my god. 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 That was so cringe, bro. That was so cringe, bro. አንተ ውውውውውው ያለው? Nah.
After she puts her number in, start barking, Isaac.
What the fuck?
Nah, this is my number right here. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
እሺ
ሁላችሁም እየመጣችሁ እንደዚህ አይነት ሾዎች ላይ የተሳተፋችሁ ኤክስፒሪየንስ እንድታደርጉ ጠይቃችኋለሁ።
She's beautiful. I ain't gonna lie. She's beautiful.
ሁላችሁም ሾፍትብን ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ። ባይ
They should be
Alright, number 1,
baptized.
when do you plan to get married?
When I'm like 24,
Would you be down to like live here or in the United States?
yeah, like it can work
ከስሞን
both.
ግን ፕሬሸሩ በኢየሱስ ቶሎ ማግባት አለብህ ምናምን ኬስ።
Number 2.
When I'm 25, when I finish my school,
Oh, you're in school?
yeah.
Alright, wait. Number 3. Would you be down to be a third wife?
Third wife?
Yeah.
Aren't you? No.
No?
Say I want 3 wives and 9 kids.
But I want 3 wives and 9 kids.
Yeah.
Yeah?
The wish you said, yeah? Wow. That's
Good
no?
for you. Then marry another girls.
But if I'm a millionaire, why does it matter?
Okay, if you're a millionaire, I would just turn a blind eye, you know.
Huh?
I would turn a blind eye when you're cheating on me because you be providing.
So you'd be.
What the fuck did she just say, bro? I'm sorry. I'm having a
Oh, you're in school?
Yeah.
Alright, wait. Number 3. Would you be down to be a third wife?
third wife. Okay.
Third wife?
Yeah.
Aren't you? No.
No?
Say I want 3 wives and 9 kids.
But I want 3 wives and 9 kids.
Yeah.
Yeah?
The wish you said,
Sion, thank you so much. Thanks for the shares.
Good for you. Then marry another girls.
But if I'm a millionaire, why does
Oh,
why
ሌላ
does it
ሰው
matter?
አግባለች።
Okay, if you're a millionaire, I would just turn a blind eye, you know.
I'll just turn and die.
Huh?
I would turn a blind eye when you're cheating
I'll
on
turn
me
him.
because you be providing.
ባላየ አልፏሉ ነው።
If I'm a millionaire.
ባላየ አልፏሉ አያሳስብም።
Yeah.
Oh. Say less.
She'll be like, yeah.
ብላይንድ
4.
A couple years, like 3 years.
Before marriage or after marriage?
Wait, before marriage or after marriage?
What's the question?
Like, would you be down to do something before marriage or after marriage?
After marriage.
After marriage.
Yeah.
ካንተ ጋር ነው አፍተር ሜሪጅ።
Well, have you ever done it before marriage?
I'm not going to answer this one.
She's already
But I
done
like
it, bro.
before.
But I like it before. Like, that's the kind of guy I am, you know?
Are we going to talk about it?
Number 6, what about you?
After marriage.
What about you, number 7?
Same after marriage.
I'm gonna be real with you. I don't know why I asked that. I don't want kids. Like, you know, is that a problem? Is that a red flag or?
You don't want
Not,
kids?
not.
Nah, it's
not?
not. Oh,
Yeah.
number 1. Jesus.
Okay. What about you, number 2?
Yeah, kind of. I want kids, you know.
Number 3.
No, it's not fine.
All right, are you down to have a kid right now?
Right now, no,
Yeah.
no, no.
Like right now.
Like right now.
Like 3, 2, 1, like right now type shit.
No.
I'm a diaspora, but
I'm a diaspora.
አንተ እነሰያ ፈታ እያሉ ከጀርባ እግዚአብሔር ጀለስ ደግሞ ይድላቸዋል የፈለጉትን እንዲህ but she went to a club. I don't think it was this one. ያችኛዋ መሰለችኝ number 7 መሰለችኝ እነሰያ ይፋና ሳይዝ እያደረጉ ነው በጀለስ
Right now type shit.
No.
I'm a diaspora, but
I'm a diaspora. I'm an American. Come on. You want that green card? Come on, shorty.
You want that great guy?
I said no.
Okay. All right, number 1. How long is your longest relationship?
4 years. 6
years.
months.
A year and a half. Yes.
Why y'all break up?
He's jealous and over controlling.
Alkis. Tell him to cry.
Start crying.
Start crying, bro. Start crying, bro.
I think you were number 1 match. I ain't gonna lie, you were number 1 in my match. She's doing everything you do.
Number 4, what about you?
So me, I never dated.
You never had a boyfriend before.
Yeah, not
How old are you?
18.
oh okay makes sense
Ooh, I like that. So you never had no nigga before.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. I like you, number 4. What about you, number 6?
2 years.
5 years.
Why y'all break up?
Because we grown up.
Cause y'all grown up?
Yeah, I mean, he's my high school sweetheart, childhood friend, so.
After that, tell her your sad, heartbreaking story. Like, tell us some random story. Let me tell you about my story.
Can I tell y'all a story about my relationship?
Yes, sure.
Yeah, so I was in a relationship for 5 years, y'all. 5 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
We matching.
And we broke up. I walked in. She was fucking my
18
cousin.
ስትል I like that አለች
She was fucking my cousin.
That's fucking crazy.
Alright, well, hold on. I got one more last question. Hold on. Who over here does sit chain chinkala?
I don't even think like ይገባቸዋል ብዬ ራሱ አላስብም ያለው ወይ ራሱ
She was fucking my cousin.
That's fucking crazy.
Alright, well, hold on. I got one more last question. Hold on. Who over here does sit chain chinkala?
wait who here does give insane ጭንቅላት ነው ያለው አይደለ
አረ በማርያም your eyes okay.
Who over here does sit chain chinkala?
Sinti? Chinkalat?
Yeah, who over here does sit chain chinkala?
wait does it I thought he said who over here gives insane ጭንቅላት ምንድን ነው ያለው እንዴ does it ምን
Here does sit chain chinkala?
Sinti? Chinkalat?
Yeah, who over here does sit chain chinkala?
Chinkalat hello?
No, sit chain chinkala.
6 chain what is he saying yo
No, Isaac, no, don't say that. Don't say that. Ask her another question. Don't say that.
Sit in.
Silti?
Sit in.
Ani
Sit
Guragi
in.
ne,
What do you mean
Guragi.
sit in?
oh ስጭኝ oh shit oh ጭንቅላት እኮ ዞሮ ላይክ ያሰብኩት ነው ጥያቄ ኦኬ እኮ ሄድ እኮ እንደዛ እኔ who over here does give insane ጭንቅላት ያለ ነበር መሰለኝ ኦኬ ስጠኝ what the fuck nigga ስጠኝ አለ ስጪኝ ለማለት ኦኬ
Alright, nah, hey, forget that, hey.
Time to eliminate or question?
Yeah, elimination time. It's now elimination time.
We eliminate, guys. We eliminate. Harun, Nazi.
አንቺ ማን ነው ፈልጊው አላት ናቲ ነው ፈልገው
Number four. Get number 4 out.
All right, number 4, I'm sorry, but you gotta go. Let's get a face reveal. Oh, okay.
No, ተመለሽ ይበላት።
Okay, do you find her attractive?
No, I don't.
Damn, what the fuck, bro?
How about you, Delina?
And they're not my type.
Can I take you to America? Ask her.
Let's see your hand. Can I take you to America with me?
Sure.
Get on your knee. Get on one knee.
Get on your knees.
Nah, that's crazy.
Will you marry me?
Nah.
Like for real?
For real?
Yeah.
You'll marry me?
Here, they're not my type ስትል የነበረችው እኮ ነች እቺ።
We don't give in, man. We don't. Show is done, man. Hey, see y'all next episode, though. We
She
out.
thinks it's real. That's what I'm saying. Like የምር የምር ባይሆንም ቻንስ ልውሰድ ነው ብሮ። አልፈርድባትም። እኔም እሷን ብሆን ኖሮ እንደዛ ነበር ነው። ጠይቀህ ነው ብራዘር።
ወብለናል።
KJ ዲቴክስ ሲመችሽ ወብ እያለሁ ብራዘር። Thanks for the follow, my guy.
Heron's on a date. Heron's on a date in the middle of the YouTube video.
Hi, my name is Delina and subscribe to Shuf TV.
Delina got beautiful eyes. I ain't gonna lie, bro. She does.
Heron's on a date. Heron's on a date in the middle of the YouTube video.
Hi, my name is Delina.
አይደለ? Am I tripping? I'm not tripping. ይመችሽ አባቴ. Thank you so much. Am I tripping? ናቲን ነው እቺኛዋ ነች። ናቲን ነው የምፈልገው ያለችው እቺኛዋ ነች። ያቺኛዋ መስለኝ እዛ ቁጭ ያለችው አብራቸው እንደዛ ያስወጣት መስሎኝ።
And subscribe to Shuf TV.
No, but he's not a follower.
Nah, okay, I'm tripping. Okay, I'm tripping.
Hey, how do you say in Amari? How do you say in Amari? The first one.
Say she chop.
I like that one.
የትኛው?
The light skin one.
ቀዩ?
They're not my type.
ኧረ ጃኒ በላቸው እንዳለ በኢየሱስ። እኔ የምልሽ አንቺ ልጅ እንደ ከናትና ካሩማ የተባለው
የትኛዋን የተመቸችሽ? አዲስ አበባ ቤቴ።
Oh, Zach, give us something.
በጣም ነው እንዴ የማያምሩት? አዲስ ምን እሺ
Bro, lock in right now.
I'm locked in.
Who's your celebrity crush?
I don't have celebrity crush like.
Celebrity crush.
Winnie man አለ?
ስልክሽን ትሰጨኛለሽ?
My celebrity crush is እንትና ሰላም ተስፋዬ። ሰላም ተስፋዬ።
ደሊና እንደዚህ አይደብርሽ?
Maybe The Weeknd.
The Weeknd?
Yeah, I love his music.
አንድ ሳምንት ፍሪ ከሆንሽ እንውጣ በላት አይዛት እናቴ ትሙት።
ያንተ እንዲ አጨመላለቁት ሾውን እኮ።
Maybe Michael B. Jordan. That's general, I know. And Aaron Pierre.
ያንቺ ማነው ሴሌብሪቲ?
ዛትስ ሙፋሳ ነው።
እና አንድ ብርና አንድ ጨምር ቢባል
AK ፍቅር አዲስ ተንቃጣ በማለት
Yeah, you.
Ask her what her dream. You here for Harold?
For Nati.
ፈጣሪ አገናኘን ለዚህ ቀን ጠብቆ።
I have a question.
Okay, what's your question?
What about your weaknesses, guys?
My shit is short.
Damn. Oh.
Tell her your shit is short.
my short. ትንሽ ነው.
Oh my god, this nigga's out of pocket. Oh my goodness. አቲ ይህንን ዩቲዩብ ማለት ነው።
አንተ ጋር አለን ሽሮ ወይስ ዶሮ ወጥ?
ዶሮ ወጥ።
ለምን
ሽሮ ዶሮ ወጥ ነው።
ሽሮ ምን አንተ እኔ
እንዴ
ምንድነው ችግርሽ አንቺ?
ሽሮ የችግር ምግብ ነው። የችግር ጥበስ ደስ
ውጪ ዝም በይ ነምበር 2
ዝም በል አንተ ራስህ።
ከሽሮና ከዶሮ ነው ኦብቪየስ።
ሁለተኛ
ዶሮ ስንት ብልት አለው?
ዶሮ ስንት ብልት አለው?
12 ነገር
How about human?
How about Sabu?
Yeah, Harun, I can hear you.
Is she so? Doro እንዴ ሁላችሁም እሺ 6
ዶሮ of course.
ሽሮ number 7 ሽሮ ዶሮ
ዶሮ ማይመቻል። ለነገር ዶሮ ማይመቻቸው ሰዎች አሉ።
ሌላ ሞዴል እችላለሁ።
እሺ መሃን ከሆን ሌላ እችላለሁ።
I don't want
የዚህ ልጅ ጥያቄዎች ምን እሺ ናቸው ማን? እሱ ነው እያወጣችሁ ያለው ምን እሺ ነው? እንዴ መሃን ከሆንሽ ብሎ ይጀምራል ጥያቄ ላይ ብሮ የዚህ ልጅ ጥያቄዎች በጣም አውሮፍ ፓኬት በጣም አውሮፍ ፓኬት
እሺ መሃን ከሆን ሌላ እችላለሁ
I don't want kids.
You don't want kids?
ችግር የለም
I love you. Like, tell her I love you, bro.
What the shallow?
እኔም እወድሃለሁ
What the
አሁን
shallow?
አታልምጣ
I'll fuck with number 1. All right, what about number 2?
number 1 በጣም
It's
fantastic
not gonna work, yeah.
not gonna work
Yeah.
Same.
okay
It's not gonna work for me.
yeah number 1 በጣም ደስ ይመስላል ቫይብ አራሱ ነው
Because በጣም ነው ልጆች የምወደው በጣም
ስለዚህ መሃን ከሆንሽ ከሌላ እንዲወልድ ትፈቅጂለታለሽ?
Of course, because ልጅ በጣም ነው የምወደው
Before elimination, one last question. Qadim, you did the elimination, Isaac. This time it's going to be Johnny. So Johnny, it's
ወይ ምናምን ስትለው ቫይብ ሰጥቶሽ ይሆናል
going to be your question before eliminating.
What's your pant size?
I'm gonna be real with you.
የፓንት ሳይዝ
What's your pant size?
አላላቅም ወፍ
What size are your pants?
የፓንት ሳይዝ
ቆይ ቼክ ላድርግሽ
Oh, actually, the suit you made. Sambusa pants, bro. What? Sambusa pants.
12 ነው የሚለው
12 size.
You a 12? What about you, number 2?
I don't know but I'm
Check
always
argue,
fat,
Lila.
so-
You're fat?
No, yeah, I think
I like fat women. 7?
small.
Small?
Yeah.
Okay, so elimination time. And this time it's not going to be them, it's going to be you.
Damn. This is a hard one, bro. But number 6, you gotta go.
Number 6?
okay 6
Number 6.
Why?
Because her shoes are really ugly. Like, they're just, yeah.
Can someone take off my sweater?
Start doing jumping jacks. I just start doing jumping jacks too.
Number
I just start
6.
doing jumping jacks.
I'm be real.
Why did you eliminate me?
I'm be real. I fucked up. You pretty, I ain't gonna lie.
I know.
You said
ሬድ ፍላግ ቀጥታ አይኖ ካለች በኋላ የኔ እናት ፕሊስ ወይ ኢዝ ራይት ዜር ለምን ጫማ እንድለካካለን የሆነ ሰዓት ላይ ተረዳኛ ተስማምተን እንኳን የሆነ ነገር ብንጀምር አንድ ላይ የሆነ ሰዓት ላይ ጫማ መለካካታችን አይቀርም አይኖ ምናምን ብላ መጀመር ከጀመረች ማለት ነው ተረዳኝ መደን ቴንክ ዩ stop on the screen
I know, I'm pretty.
From both of them, who would be more of your type?
So I bet.
damn, bro. She actually look good.
She fine as
All right, how do you feel about that?
I fucked up. My opinion, I don't think anyone's gonna be prettier than her. I'm gonna be real.
So you don't think there's anyone prettier than her in there?
My name is Fortuna. Subscribe to Ship TV.
It's wingman time.
Nigga, I've been telling you what.
It's
Sion,
wingman
thanks
time.
for the pin.
Wait, before you go, take their mic, ask one question.
እያንዳንዳችሁ እየወጣችሁ አንድ ሶስት ተሰኙኛላችሁ ከነሱ ውጭ
We're going to raise it.
raise it
Raise it.
raise it one time
Raise it. We're going to raise it.
Okay.
ሳታይ
ሳታይ
ነው የምገዛው?
ነው እንዲህ የምትገዙ ይላል ኧረ ሰባ
That's like a good question. Hold on.
እኔ ልይ እስቲ እኔ ልይ
Wait, put their hands down. I want to see their fingers.
Crazy shit.
ቶሎ ብለህ ዝም ብለህ ሰባት ቁጥር ነው አስወጣው እናንተ እናውቃለን እንጂ ሰባት ቁጥር እንዳትነው እንደምሰጣቸው እሺ
ሰባት ቁጥር እንዳሻል
አረቦ ከኛ ጋር ደግሞ ትንሽ ናቸው ከዚህ ሰው ምን እንደሚመስል
But I'm gonna ask y'all again. Can y'all give me y'all best meow?
አንተ ከድመት ጋር ያለ ነገር ምንድን ነው?
ምን ነው ችግርሽ አንቺ?
አኑ ከድመት ጋር ያለ ምንድን ነው?
ና አንቺ ምን ነው ችግርሽ?
እኔ ችግር የለብኝም። ድመት ትወዳለህ? ቆይ
ድመት በጣም እወዳለሁ።
ቸከስ ይመቻቻል የተኮላተፈ ነው የሚያወራው ሙዳቸው ነው
Who said which one? Who said which one? Okay, wow.
ልጆቹ እንዴት አይሻቸው?
ሃሮን
ላይ ምረጭ በተባይ ከሁለቱ አንዱ
ሜቢ
Johnny 3 out of 3 Johnny?
Can everyone do a 360? 360.
ማን ነው your favorite streamer? ማናት? ናቲ ትኩል?
አባቱ ኤኬ እንደዛ እሱ ነው የሚያወጣው ብራዘር እሱ ነው የሚያወጣው
Number 1.
እያዞሯቸው ነው በስማ
Wait, can you do it one more time? My fault. Like, I blink. Can you do it one more time? Okay. Number 2.
እዛ ነው ቦታቸው ሴቶቹ። እዛ ነው።
I see you, number 2.
All right, number 3.
ሰቨንን ሊያስወጣት ነው
ሃሮን እረፍ ሃሮን ዋ አንተ ሃሮን አንተ ነህ እንዲህ የምታበላሻቸው
ሰቨንን ሊያስወጣት ነው
don't listen to him
3 is the one
I know who
3 is W
I want.
But this time
number 1
it's
seems
not you
like
who gets to
በጣም
eliminate, it's your friends.
vibe ያላት
Number 3 or 2?
Number 3.
3. 3? 3? What number? Eliminate number 3.
Okay, guys, who are you eliminating?
Number 7. They said number 7.
It's them.
All right.
Let them agree and let you know.
okay
Number 7, I'm sorry, but you gotta go.
ሶ እንዳለ ነገር እና ሃሮ ናቸው ኮንትሮል የሚያደርጉት ነው ነገርየው ምርጫው በራሳ እሱን እኮ ነው የምልህ that's what I'm saying like ሁሉም ራሳቸው ነው የሚያደርጉት የሚሉትን damn wait hold up
You taller than me.
Yeah.
Wait, turn around. Who's?
okay
Turn around.
I'm 5
Turn around. Isaac, start barking.
Who's taller?
በእናትህ እንዳቸው
Yeah, I think. Wait.
Nah, but thank you. You're pretty, but like you're just a little too tall for me. I'm kind of short, you know.
Kiss her hand.
All right, can I see your hand? My phone one more time. Huh? She said.
Yo.
Hey guys, my name is Lina, YouTuber እና reactor. I do react videos. Subscribe አድርጉኝ. React with Lina ይባላል. And the one in
react with Lina I'm about to subscribe to her shit bro I like her I ain't gonna lie to you hold up sorry guys react with Lina አፉ በሉኝ አንዴ ያውና ሊና ሪያክት ይመች ሰብስክራይብ አድርገናል ኦኬ ይሄ ማልጣት አፍ ላይ ግን አይከብድም እሺ እንቀጥል
the only best ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ best YouTube channel ሹፍ TV subscribe አድርጉ
አሳስቦሽ ነው አሳስቦሽ
እዚህ ቶኛለሽ
መጀመሪያ መኮላተፍ አለብን ነው እሱ ነው the method is like መኮላተፍ አለብሽ
which one do you like
maybe Ethiopian
she's the one she's very beautiful she is 5 okay
ስለዚህ ladies you get to ask them one questions each እሺ አንድ ቁጥር is going to be Johnny
oh okay
is going
ቸከሶች
to
ይጠይቃሉ
be
okay
Isaac ስለዚህ first round you get to ask questions ከዛ በኋላ you will tell me who's your type just based on answer and character okay number 1 what's your question
music taste ምንድነው like
Music
music
taste.
taste ምን ይመስላል
I like Teddy Afro, Little Baby. I like Future. And I like Joe Daniels.
ማ
Joe Daniels.
Joe Daniel
John Daniel
His favorite artist, Joe Daniels.
Wait. What's wrong with Joe Daniels?
Joe Daniel
Yeah.
ታቂ ኩርፌ ነው
Joe Daniels
My music taste: Teddy Afro, Dilahun.
ጥላሁን ገሰሰ
Yeah, and then Yirdotino. And then Yirdotino.
ይርዳው ጤና
But I'm good with him.
ጀግና
ሮፍናን
ዋ
ኦ ስፒኪንግ ኦፍ ሮፍናን ባይ ዘ ዌይ አዲስ
Okay,
ያፈለኳል
number one.
ቼክ
ከሁለቱ
እናድርጓል ከዚህ
የማን
በኋላ
መልስ ተመቸሽ?
ቆይ እስኪ ጆ ዳንኤል ያለው
Okay, okay. So she's going with John. How about number two? What's your question?
how tall are you guys number 1
I'm like 6'2".
for real
cap
okay what about number 2
cap
I'm 5'3".
I'm 5'3".
5'3"
Yeah, on a good day,
Cap.
5'4".
okay we don't judge
But when I say my money, I'm 9 foot. So
So
Ooh!
who do you find attractive?
Wanna
well
money
6'2"
The 6'2" one.
yeah
All right.
Johnny said he's 6'2".
Number three. What's your question?
Skin type.
Oh, my skin type?
Yes.
I'm like caramel, you know, sexy chocolate. You know.
What about number 2?
purple. I
Wanna
like
money 9 too
me. Purple. I like aliens.
No,
oh my
you.
god
Number three. Who do you find attractive?
Maybe number 1. Caramel one.
Number 1 is actually 5'9", by the way.
damn he just
Why you
leaked this
lying?
shit bro
Don't listen to him. Don't listen.
Okay. Ladies, reveal yourselves.
Reveal yourselves.
oh wait
Oh, it's time.
oh it's time meh at the number 2 ain't all that bro I thought like number 2 ሌላ ታሪክ መስላኝ ነበረ ወደ ጎን ሲዞር ሌላ ታሪክ ነው I think number 3 ይሻላል እባክሽ ከዚህ ሁላ እባክሽ
Hey, this is the troll, bro.
ኦኬ ናምበር 1 ቫይቧ ፒስ ነው ናምበር 1 ቫይቧ ፒስ ነው አንድ ላይ ራት ምናምን በላ ቡዲ ነው ላይክ ራት ሰርታልኝ ምናምን ያበደ ሴሽን በኋላ በጣም ጸዴ ጊዜ ታሳልፊያለሽ ናምበር 2 ደግሞ ማለት ነው ክለብ ላይ ምናምን በቃ አለሽ አይደለ let me stop number 3 I told you number 3
Okay,
three
this
stuff
time, you get to ask them questions
Three
and
stuff.
they get to ask you questions.
stuff.
But the elimination is not on their hands. It's in their friends' hands.
three
How
stuff
many
ልክ ነሽ
girls did you date?
How many relationships I've been in?
Yeah.
I've been in 2.
2. This whole.
My whole life, yeah, just 2.
0.
Same.
0.
See?
Yeah.
zero
Okay, again, do you believe them?
Bro, don't say I'm a liar
Go
again.
for it.
Bro, I'm not lying, bro. I'm honest, bro.
Okay.
I'm being honest. Huh?
that girl that said I'm
Mariana?
pretty
I don't like.
is,
I don't
is
swear.
cuter
I don't like swear.
one last question
Please go ahead.
this is gonna be so weird but what's your body count
ooh okay good question I'm curious to what they're gonna say shit
My body count?
mm-hmm
I'm gonna be honest with you. 0. I'm not. I swear.
You dated a girl and
okay.
0 body count?
Me? Body count. Guys, 1. Just 1.
be honest we're not gonna judge
I'm being honest. I would have said 0 if I'm lying. 1. Like, bro, why do you think I'm lying, fool? Bro.
or
He's
tell me
lying to
his
you.
body
He has a
count.
million.
Look
He has a
yeah
million. He's
then
lying.
you tell me his
You think I had a million?
Bro, be honest, bro. Just say how much I got.
Okay, guys, you know what? I'm going to spice this up a bit.
okay
Girls, guess who has the most bodies between them?
Me?
You think it's him?
That's crazy.
okay
How about you? Number 1.
እኔ እንጃ ያው ውጪ ነው ያደጋችሁት
America, yeah.
አሜሪካ ነው
ውጭ ሜል ለማለቡታል ብላ እኮ ኧረ የሚመቻት ሰው ውጭ ነው ያደጋችሁት አለች ስንት ባዲ ካውንት ያላችሁ ስትባል she's beautiful but I don't like your style
አሜሪካ አድጋ 0 ነው ቤት ካውንት
Wow.
What the fuck?
How old are you?
How old am I? How do I look?
23?
23?
20.
Oh, 23? Yeah.
24.
24?
Yeah.
So, number 2, who do you think has the one? You said him, right? How about you? Okay. Now it's your friend's turn to actually come in.
You gonna come in?
Ask them questions, and they're
Okay.
going to be doing the elimination. So
oh
guys, come in.
እና አሩና ቻውን ኢሊሚኔት የሚያደርጉት ጌሙን ያወደዱታል ይወደ
እናንተ ወጡ እናንተ ሁለታችሁ it's going to be them yeah you guys are going to be there now
የትኛው ነው የመጣችሽ?
እሺ guys your friends are trusting you to actually make the decision for them
እንዲች ብለን እንዳትጨነቅ ማን ምን እንደሚፈልጋል but first እሱ አብሯቸው ስለመጣ
I think number 2 ኪክ ያረጋታል I think
ጥያቄ ይጋር አንድ ጥያቄ
ለነሱም እሺ what's your favorite anime?
Nervous.
Oh my god.
Nervous.
Anime, bro.
If you like anime, anime ስለሚያዩት
Attack on Titan.
Nice. Attack
on Titan.
You got his arm around, bro. This guy's trying to steal them, bro.
Anime የሚመቸው አለ እዚህ ውስጥ አንime እንዴት ነው የሚመቸው
On a first date ምንድነው የሚመቻችሁ ማድረግ ማለት like what would you want to do on your first date? መጀመሪያ
ጆኒ ጋነር የአኒሜ እንትንሽ what's your favorite anime?
አማርኛ ወይ እንግሊዘኛ ብታወሩት እንደ ቋንቋ አንቺ ለመረጥሽው እንዲያመቻችልሽ ነው እንግሊዘኛ ነው የምታወሪው አማርኛ
Sign language.
Yo, number 1 is so fucking dope, bro. በጣም ያበደ ቫይብ አላት One Piece okay One Piece I think ብዙ ኤፒሶድ ያለው አኒሜ ነው
ቦታ ላይ ጸጥታ ያለበት በደንብ የምናወራበት ቢሆን ደስ ይለኛል ኤክስፔንሲቭ ያለው ነው
ሳይን ላንጉጅ
ወጪ ሁለታችን
አታክ ታይታን ነው እኔ ናሩቶን ነው የማውቀው ናሩቶን ዋን ፒስንም አውቀዋለሁ ላይክ በስም ማለት ጀለሲ በጣም ይሄ ነበር
classy dinner you know quiet where you can talk you know
dinner
yeah it would be fun
ዲነር ነው በቃ ቁርስ በልተን እንለያያለን ነው ምንድነው ነገርየው
አንቺ ወደ ቤትሽ
yeah
አብራችሁ
no I don't do that shit
ቀደምም ብየዋለሁ ማውጣት አለበት
ምን ማውጣት different meanings guys what you mean by that
አረሪ ይልሻል ማውጣት የሚለው ነገር ብዙ ሚኒንግ አለው what you mean by that okay
ስፖይል መደረግ ፈልጋለሁ
yeah like I'm saying like how much should we spend yeah
Miss Pixels thank you so much thank you for the heart to me initially
You put in the work. How much should a man spend on you on the first date?
Okay, let's say he's a millionaire.
Millionaire? I expect a gold chain.
አትይ ሰው ልጅ ግን ሲያልም እኮ ምኞት አይከለከልም ለነገሩ ምኞት አይከለከልም ጎልድ ቼን አለች
What's wrong?
Bro, Heron's just trying to fuck these. He's trying to fuck them. That's
ጎልድ
it.
ቼን
Heron's just
አይ
always
ኮድ ለሰው እንዴት እንደሚቀደም ጥራት
ፋርዜትሽ ወጣችሁ ምናምን ነገር እየበላችሁ ነው ወክድ ብዩ turn off በቃ እዛ ጋር ይሄ ልጅ አይሆንም የምትባችሁ በቃ ሁሉ ነገር እችላለሁ ይሄን ነገር ግን አልችልም
ኮስታራ በቃ ላፊቱ የማይፈታ ዝብዝፍ የሆነ ሰው
just like you
ማይቀልድ በቃ እኔ በሳቀኛ ሞት ኮስተር ካለ ቀጥ ብዬ ነው የምወጣው በቃ
አንቺ you say like በጣም ሳቂታ ሰው ነሽ ታስፈልሽ
ወይ ትንሽ ነገር ነው የሚያስገለፍጠኝ ላይ በቃ ሲሪየስ ሰው
እዛ ነው በጣም የተመቸችኝ ናምበር 1 አይንጎል ላይ ናምበር 1 ፋከሙ ናምበር 1 አይንጎል ላይ
next
hygiene
hygiene okay
kagama if you don't smell good what
man hello hygiene እኮ አንጽህና
you're right you just አወካሽ ትልክነሽ
ሲበላ በስነ ስርዓት
አሁን ገብተሽ አይት ነው
አልችልም
They get the big bros.
ናምበር 3 በወርቅ ማንኪያ ካላጎረስካት አትጎርስልህ
You eliminated the worst one. I eliminated
they're about 23 days she looks 18 wait I think አንደኛዋ 18 ነች መሰለኝ እኮ አንደኛዋ 18 ነች I think እቺኛዋ 18 ነች መሃል ላይ ያለችው እቺኛዋ ትንሽ አደግ ያለች ትመስላለች maybe 24 or something why are they looking away like እቺኛዋ ሲዲንግ እያየች ነው እቺ ወደዚህ ከዛ ኋላ እቺኛዋ ሶስተኛዋ ደግሞ 22 ምናምን መሰለኝ from 19 I know my surroundings ድፍረታቸው ያበሻ ሴት
ማለት ራሳችሁ ይፈልጋችሁ አይሻል በቃ ነው አራት ነን እኮ
አይ ሶስታችሁና አውሩበት ግን
አንተ አትፈልግም ማለት ነው አንተ ይፈልጋል ማለት
ነምበር 1 ጋይስ ሁለቱ
ነምበር 2 ካይዛ
ነምበር 2 ይሻላል
ነምበር 2 ካይዛ
you know Johnny ሜላት እንዴት አድርጓታል who's Johnny bro
1, 2, 3. My ID. What?
My
Oh, እዚህ ጋር
No, just them.
Just them.
You come back here.
ፈልገህ ነው?
ልትመረጥ
Majamaya. Who are you eliminating?
ኦ ኢሊሚኔት ማንን ነው የምታደርገው?
በጣም ቆንጆ ናችሁ። ፐርሰናሊቲያችሁን በጣም ወደነዋል። እንደው ብንችልና ሁላችሁንም ብናስቀር ደስ ባለ።
እሱ 3 is perfect
ሰው ብቻ ማስቀረት ነው። በሌላ ጊዜ የምንገናኝ
የምትመቸው ቸከስ ሊወስድ ነው ይወደ
እናም በዚህም ዙር
3 ቁጥር ይወስዳታል። ልክ
ልምኔት እናደርገው። እስቲ ተረጋጋ። ሁሌ ትፈጥናለህ ናቲ። በእግዚአብሔር በቃ እሺ ቀጥል።
he's gonna say number 3
ሁለት ቁጥር
ኦ number
አንድ ቁጥር ማለት
ለጊዜው
አንድ
ብላ
አፈራፋ
Did she just touch my ass?
well eliminating number 1
Okay, ማን ለማን እንደመረጥን አልተናገርንም። just based on their preference ነው እንጂ ሌላ ክፋት አስበን አይደለም።
ለራሱ ፈልጓት ነው። ና ዴራ
ተናገረ።
ካስጠጣኝ የቀረመው
ሆም ይባላል። ሹፍቲ በጣም ጸዴ ቻናል እውነት በጣም ነው ያፍታችሁ። ሰብስክራይብ ሹፍ ቲቪ ይሄን ኦፖርቹኒቲ ስለሰጣችሁኝ አመሰግናለሁ። በጣም ደስ ይላል። ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ አደራ። እንደዚህ አይነት ያበደ ቪዲዮ እንዳያመልጣችሁ።
ለጃኒ መረጥነው አንደኛው ወደዚህ ነው። ብዙ ከዚህ በፊት ካወራሃቸው ወሬው
ማንን ሊመርጡለት ነው? ሜቢ number 3
አንሳር ካንተ ጋር ማች ታረጋለች ብለን ያሰብናት
number 3
please give me a drum roll please
number 3
Richo
ሪቾ ልጃችንን ስንሰጥህ
ልቀድ
sorry buddy
አንቀባለ አማርኛ ይሁን
አዶ
እንዴ relax
እሺ
አሩቱ ሁሉ
I don't want her no
በቃ ነው አንተ
yo Aaron is too funny. I ain't good like bro. 2021. What's going on? እንዴት ነሽልኝ? እናት How you been?
hey
okay you're just a content segment you just a series bro
እየሰደበ
don't fuck with this man.
አንተ ወንድነትን ይረገጡ ነው ብለ እሺ this is your match
Nah, I don't want her.
I don't want her out of ወይኔ
well I'm
ከፋው
She did it.
ወይኔ ከፋው
He did,
ጀለስ
bro. He put his arm around her waist. Oh, he's forcing her. Oh, he's one of those type of guys. Oh, can I beat the real winner, bro? Like, can I get the real winner?
No, wait.
እንዴ አልፈልጋትም አለ ይኸው
Bro, she let him. It did? It did? Can I pick the real winner, bro? Can I get the real winner? Real winner.
she's the real winner cool
this is your match okay there's nothing you can do
አንተ ግባ
this is what we chosen for you you
እንትን በል
have to accept
ሃሩን
it okay?
is just a man
Harun is just a what
bro at this point it's gonna be weird በጣም like አንድ ላይ ምን በተገደው እንትን ሊሉ ነው like it's just it's weird bro
it's your match
No, I don't want it. So this is so red flag.
Wait, why don't you want me? You let him touch on you. Why? Wait, what? Time out.
nigga anyway
Dad, what she say?
she say I love you
Something like me.
ለምንድን ነው ማትፈልጊ
I'm not. እኔ አይደለሁም አንተ ነህ በለው።
and it's not me it's you
oh
yeah
Ask her what she mean by that.
ምን ማለት ነው
ችግሩ ካንተ ነው።
you're the problem
Why am I the problem? You let head on touch on you.
ችግሩ እኔ እንዴት ሆናለሁ ሃሩን አንቺ
So he's trying his best ሊያገናኘን. He's trying his best.
ወይኔ አቀፋጨራሽ ወይኔ
Hey, call Mello. Call
ወይኔ
Mello.
ወይኔ ወይኔ ሜላት ጋር እየደወለ ነው
Naughty tilt. እዚህ ጋር ነው የሚያልቀው ወይ?
Hello? Mello.
Melo?
You trying to hang out today? You trying to hang out today? Yeah, what time? Alright, for sure. You know Head On 2? I'm gonna see Mela tonight. Go on my TikTok. You will see a TikTok. Everyone. If you seen this episode, I'm gonna post a TikTok tonight with Mela. Why? She doesn't want you. You're mad. You're mad.
I'm not mad.
Yes, you are. You want her back, but you can't have her, brother.
Okay, let's do who we chose for Isaac.
እንደ አንተ የምር ነው የከፋው። እኔ እኮ ለሾው መስሎኛል። ዮ
Yes.
Isaac chose number 2.
And is that what you? Is that what you done? Is that what you?
Why not? Yeah.
Wow.
And then for number 3, we choose Sayyub. For number 3. Hey! What a plus.
Amy and Isaac.
By the power of God.
By the power of God,
We
Barakel,
now. Why you stand next to John? Why you stand next
You're
to
not
yeah, that's his match. No. That's your match. That's your match. You take it there. That's your match. Yeah.
And then.
You don't want me?
She didn't say that.
Nah, I gotta be honest. You want me or John?
If you had to choose, who would you pick?
Oh, if you had to choose.
Harun.
Oh!
But it's fine though. Isaac,
Yo.
come on. What's good for me is gonna be good for you. Nah, የመረጥኩ ልክ ነው.
That's insane, bro.
They are eliminated. Yeah, they are eliminated.
You did your best. You can be messier. You guys go. Let's just keep the man right here.
Mama.
We out.
Let me say about him.
Oof. Damn.
Hugging your girl.
Come on, Mike.
Okay.
So,
Yo, the vibe is off, bro. The vibe, that's fucked up. Bro, the vibe is off, bro. Like, look at them. Hey, show መሆኑን ምን አራሱ ረስቶታል, bro. Whoa.
So, this girl or this guy is my type. Yes or no?
Oh, she said yes. Oh my god, bro. She said yes. ከዛ ሁላ በኋላ እንዴት አትል ለነገሩ አልፈርድባትም። እንዴት አትል አባቴ ያቺኛዋ ራሱ ዜርና ማይታይ ብላ ታገቢኛለሽ ሲላት ካንዳንደሽ ያለች ቸከስ እያለች እንደዚህ በጠበቀኝ።
Next question. I want to exchange phone numbers with this person. Yes or no?
Okay. Oh, she said no. Okay. So he's our type, but okay. So they both said no. Okay.
I want to go out on a first date with this person. Yes or no?
Oh shit.
I would rather pick his friend, and in your case, I would rather pick one of her friends. Not her friends, but like other people from the lineup. So.
Oh, they both gonna say yes because ሁለቱም ስታበርን ናቸው ያስቱቃል። ሁለቱም the same personality ነው ያላችሁ ወይ እንደዚህ ነው። the same personality ሲኖርሽ አትግባቢ። እንደዚህ ስታበርን ናቸው ሁለቱም።
All right, guys. Thank you so much.
ራሄል ይባላለሁ። ኮንተንት ክሬተር ነኝ።
Actually, how was your experience today?
ማለት የሆነ ስክሪፕት እና
She know that. I ain't gonna lie, bro. መጀመሪያ ላይ በጣም ከፍ አድርጊያት ነበረ። Ain't know that, bro.
ነበር የሚመስለኝ ግን ብዙ ነገሮች አፕን ሲያደርጉ ነበር ሶ ራንደም ሶ እሱ ትንሽ አንዳንዱ እንደውም ነርቨስ አድርጎኝ ነበረ። ከዛ ውጭ በቃ ሲፈጠሩ የነበሩት ነገር በጣም ደስ ይላሉ።
ለማላቀቅ ነው የሞከርሽው ወይስ ይዘሽዋል ሃሮን?
ፈርስት ታይም ለማልለቀቅ ነበር።
እሺ
የመሰለው እንዲያረኩ ነበር ማቀፍ ነበረብኝ።
What? Get out of here! Is there anyone else you would have picked?
All are too old. Yo, she's 18, okay? What you mean? Wait. She's 18, bro. What you mean she's too old?
You.
I got a good friend.
What? No.
ድጋሚ ቀፋት bro ድጋሚ ቀፋት
I thought she was 18 bro
ችግር ከነሱ ውጭ ከሆነስ ከጓደኞቻቸው
አይ በቃኝ
መራታ ላይ It's like I'm not taking my chances this
nah
time.
she said she was 18 bro
You want to be the
Right?
selector next time?
ወይስ አላለችም
all right ሹፍ ቲቪን ሹፍ አድርገን subscribe
Mom 19 she looks older than me
ሹፍ ቲቪን ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ ሾፍ አድርጉ በጣም ደስ የሚሉ ኮንተንት ነው ሹፍ ቲቪ
ወብለናል ቢግፉት እንዴት ነሽልኝ ብራዘር
እና ራንደም ናቸው ሶ
what's going on my guy
Wait, what is he doing?
oh wait ፕላት ትዊስት ይልሻል ባይዘው ተጃልሰው ምናምን አንዳንድ መርጧል ታውቃል አንዳንድ መርጧል እኮ ሁሉም that's up to you bro I don't believe አባበሻ on አለ ነገሩ እንደዛ እኮ ነው ዞሮ ዞሮ or you did us believe that what am I supposed to do my nigga she said she's 18
What the fuck just happened? Wait, what the fuck going on?
what does she know
This is my joint. This is my real joint.
Nah.
Explain yourself.
She getting messy.
Nah, we just talking. I mean, this is. I didn't mean to eliminate her. I can't lie. But you're not ugly.
it's okay it's okay
No disrespect. No disrespect.
Wait.
ምንድነው እየተፈጠረ ያለው ማን ምንድነው እየተፈጠረ ያለው bro እንዴ ምንድነው እንደ ኳስ ተቀባበሏቸው ቸክሶቹን እኮ ምን እሺ ነው እንዴ ይሄ ደግሞ መጥቶ አቀፋተችኝ ምን እየተፈጠረ ያለው ቆይ ሃሮን ነው የሚመቸኝ አላለችም እንዴ bro what the fuck is happening bro
What the fuck is going on? Nah, bro. I'm cooling.
Nah, I don't worry. I'm just checking up on her. You know?
Yeah, right? Hermela.
Yeah.
Explain yourself. What are you doing?
Yeah. Explain yourself.
Are you into him?
Yeah.
You like him? Okay. You like her back?
He's a mutmafasi waga.
Do you want to give them the spot?
Sure.
Yeah?
Please be my guest.
So
ሂጂያ ታዲያ ዞር በያሉሽ ነው በሌላ ቋንቋ
him. You're stealing him from her.
No. No.
No?
Yeah.
No.
No.
But she's getting closer. See? Actions
Okay.
speak.
Just no problem.
messing with you.
I don't mind.
Okay, you know what? Let's do this. Step out. Step out. Let's
choose
have them.
by himself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me
I think
choose?
Yeah.
it's better. I think.
Let
Yeah.
me choose. Oh yeah.
Okay, cool.
Obviously her.
Sorry.
You choose her.
Yeah. Yeah.
What?
This is the messiest episode
I'm sorry.
we've
my
ever
fault.
done.
the messiest bro the messiest what the fuck just happened over there bro
Back in the game? She got back in the game?
ያብነሲቡ እባላለሁ but you can call me Amy.
እሺ እንዴት ነበር ዛሬ ቀረጻው?
It was chaotic. በጣም chaos ነበር. It was fun. I
Okay.
would watch this like ብዙ ጊዜ. I like Messi.
You
I
like Messi?
chaos, yeah.
You were a victim of one.
I'm not the victim actually.
I mean, how did you feel when she took your man?
I didn't care.
You didn't care.
Yeah, because I was out of it. መጀመሪያ
ላጤው we talking about like እንትን ላጤው show Bigfoot
I rejected him. ለዛ ነው I think he made that move.
Who were you into? ዛሬ ከነበሩት?
You want me to be honest?
100% honest.
They're both cute, but the push-up gave me the ick. Yeah, that was too
But
much.
before that, you were into him?
Yeah, he is cute, and I like his sense of humor. But the push-up, I got out of it.
Did you have an eye?
Yeah, well, I don't want to say.
You don't want to say?
Yeah.
ሃሮን ተመችቷል እቺ ነች አንተን ክለብ ምናምን ይመቸኛል ስትለኝ ነበረችው እቺ ነች the beauty of girls መሰለኝ እዚህ ሾው ላይ ምንድነው ፌሳላ
Why?
they're all beautiful bro what you mean what you trying to say
I watch it with my sister all the time. It's fun. I hope it can grow like በደንብ የሚያድግ አይነት ነገር ይመስለኛል. Subscribe to Shook TV.
okay የነዚህ okay
ምን ያክላል?
I
That's what
like
she
her
said.
friends more or I would choose another girl from the lineup. That's for you. Lanchi Dagmo, I like his friend more than him. Yes or no?
Okay.
Okay.
No.
I like this person enough to exchange phone numbers.
To
Yes
exchange phone
or
number.
no?
Okay. Okay.
Thirsty, man. You.
I like this person enough to go out on a first date. Yes or no?
First date, okay. Yes, we Jesus.
Okay, thank you so much. It's a wrap.
ኦኬ ስሜ ሄርሜላ።
እሺ ሄርሜላ ምን ተፈጥሮ ነው ተመልሰሽ የመጣሽው? ውጪ ምንድን ነው ያለሽ?
ያ ተስማምተን
ተስማምታችሁ ነው?
መጀመሪያም ኤሊሚኔት ሲያደርገኝ ያ I saw his reaction.
You like him? Is your type?
I think so.
You think so? ስለዚህ yes ብላችኋል ለዴት አይደለም? We got you sponsored.
Really?
Yep.
Oh shit. Yo, shout out
Shufti. ዛሬ መጀመሪያሽ ነው ወይስ ከዚህ በፊት አድርገሽ
Really?
ታውቂያለሽ?
እየጠየቀኝ ነው? ኧረ ፕሊዝ what? ኧረ ተው እንዳታጣለኝ ከስንት ወዳጅ ጋይስ እኔ አልሰረኩም። ኖ እሱ ነው የመረጠኝ። እኔ ምንም አላረኩም። ፈርስት ኤሊሚኔት ተደርጌ ነበር። አት ዘ ኤንድ ግን ያው so what can I do?
All right. እሺ thank you so much for coming.
እንደዚህ አይነት ሾዎች ላይ የተሳተፋችሁ ኤክስፒሪየንስ እንድታደርጉ ጠይቃችኋለሁ። ሁላችሁም ሹፍቲቪን ሰብስክራይብ
My girl would be Miss Ethiopia in that show.
It's a wrap.
ያቺኛዋ ያ ስፒድ ጋር የነበረችው ቻንስ
በዚህና በሌሎች